Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Screen Time. This gets you straight to where downtime is managed. If you use family sharing, select your child's name now so you change the correct profile. If a screen time passcode exists, have it ready. You'll need it to edit or remove downtime. Once done, tap Downtime to view the schedule. You're taking control so you can delete a block quickly rather than hunting through menus later. You're now in the downtime screen. Use Edit to access each scheduled block. Tap the schedule you want removed, then either tap Delete Schedule or swipe left on that entry and confirm the action. Make sure All Days versus Custom Days is set correctly before deleting so you don't remove the wrong pattern. Once you confirm deletion, the schedule is removed and the device exits downtime automatically. If multiple blocks exist, repeat these steps until all undesired entries are gone. Finish by checking that downtime now displays off, which means no schedule remains. If a screen time passcode blocked edits and you cannot recall it, you may need to reset the screen time passcode via Apple ID or Device Restore. Follow Apple's recovery prompts carefully. If you deleted schedules but downtime still appears active, restart the iPhone to force settings to refresh. Make sure to verify family sharing settings if changes didn't apply to a child's device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.